Today, a simple but flavorful spicy pork pancit bihon is being cooked using just one piece of Q bihon, which is about 50 grams. This dish is a staple in this kitchen because pancit is one of the husband's favorite Filipino dishes. Sometimes it's lunch, sometimes breakfast, and sometimes a quick snack after coming home from work. For the ingredients, you'll need one piece of Q bihon, 200 grams of thinly sliced pork, 100 grams of shimji mushrooms, 1 cup shredded cabbage, half a cup julienne carrots, half a medium onion sliced, 3 cloves of garlic minced, and 1 to 2 jalapenos thinly sliced for garnish. The pork is first marinated with 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon sugar, and 1 tablespoon Chinese cooking wine. It's mixed well and set aside while the vegetables are prepared. Even a short marinating time helps build flavor. For the broth, 400 milliliters of water is brought to a boil. 1 dashi packet is added and simmered for about 3 minutes, then removed. This step is done while cooking the vegetables on the other stove to save time. Cooking begins by heating oil in a wide pan or wok. The marinated pork is added first and cooked until no longer pink, allowing it to lightly caramelize. Once cooked, the pork is removed from the pan and set aside. Using the same pan, onion and garlic are sautéed until fragrant. Next, the shimji mushrooms are added and cooked briefly, followed by the carrots, then the cabbage, seasoned with some salt and pepper. The vegetables are cooked just until tender but still crisp, then set aside. The bihon noodles, which were soaked in warm water for about 10 minutes, are drained and added to a clean pan along with the prepared dashi broth. The broth is seasoned with 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1/4 cup soy sauce, and 1/4 teaspoon ground black pepper. The noodles are cooked gently until tender and fully absorb the broth. Once the noodles are ready, everything is mixed together. The cooked pork is returned to the pan, followed by the vegetables. Everything is tossed until evenly combined and well seasoned. Here's a bit of trivia. Pancit bihon has Chinese origins, with the word pancit coming from a term that refers to conveniently cooked food. Rice vermicelli noodles were introduced through trade and later adapted into Filipino cuisine. Across Southeast Asia, similar noodles exist: bihun in Malaysia and Singapore, bun in Vietnam, and bihun goreng in Indonesia. What makes Filipino pancit special is its flexibility. It adapts easily to local ingredients and even different broths, like dashi, while still keeping its identity. To finish, the pancit is garnished with thinly sliced jalapenos for heat and served with lemon or calamansi, depending on what's available. This dish is cooked often because it's easy to adjust based on what's left in the fridge: extra cabbage from soup, carrots from spring rolls, or mushrooms from another dish. Keeping marinated pork, shrimp, or chicken in the freezer makes mixing and matching easy, and most importantly, it keeps meals satisfying. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, share, and subscribe. Let us know in the comments how you make your pancit bihon and what ingredients you like to add. See you in the next video.